Hey middle school artists, it's Miss Underwood here, missing you guys and working in our art room, but we are gonna make the best of this. Today, we are going to use contour lines to draw the items around you. Contour lines are the outside edges of an object that you might be drawing. I also challenge you not to pick up your pencil. You'll see in the video, I do it a couple times, but I just want you to try your best not to pick up your pencil or whatever you're using. For this project, you can use pencil, pen, markers, anything that you have. You can seriously even do this with a paintbrush if you want to. When drawing, I want you constantly looking back and forth from your object to your paper, This will help you to really see what's actually there and not just be looking at the object itself. You want to kind of break down the item that you are looking at into smaller pieces. And to do that, it's going to help if you look back and forth consistently. These kind of drawings tend to be a little silly looking, a little goofy, but that is okay. This is not about looking pretty. It's about working on your skills and learning to see and not just to look. But they will help you become a better artist as you draw. Some tips to remember when you are doing this project is to draw slow. Do not try to rush. You can rush after you practice multiple times, but right now I want you drawing slow. Try to draw your image life size. Don't draw it really teeny tiny. I would also suggest you do multiple items to fill your page. Just one in the middle of your paper is going to look a little boring when you could add many more objects around it to kind of fill that space and make your project more interesting to look at. Also, you'll see in the demo that I am tracing with my hand that is not my pencil slowly around the object to make sure I'm staying in the right spot. All right, good luck. Here we go. All right, so you can see that I have my object to the side of my paper and I'm using my pointer finger to trace around the outside edges of my actual object. Meanwhile, looking back and forth to my paper and making sure that I am getting each line and each shape done to the best of my ability. Remember I said try not to pick up your pencil or pen or whatever you might be using. Just go back and forth over the same line if necessary to get to where you need to go. Using multiple objects in your contour work of art is going to make your project look more interesting and exciting because there will be variety instead of just one single object. All right, and now add color to your work. You could make it realistic or fantasy, however you would like. And lastly, add shadows to the right side or the left side of each individual object. When you're finished with your project, post a picture in the 6/8 Encore Canvas page. See you next time.